In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Jotform and VerticalResponse. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Choose the form you want to connect, then click Edit Form to open the form builder. Click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left menu. Search for VerticalResponse and select the integration. Click Authenticate, then sign in to your VerticalResponse account and authorize the connection. After the connection is complete, choose the contact list where you want new form submissions to be added. Map your Jotform fields to the corresponding VerticalResponse fields. If needed, click Add New Field to map additional information. If you want to add previous form submissions to your contact list, enable the option to add existing contacts. When you're finished, click Complete Integration, then click Finish to save the integration. That's how to connect Jotform and VerticalResponse. Thanks for watching.